Hello students, I am Anil Singh. Today I will describe you the question paper pattern for class 9. I think you have completed your half yearly syllabus. So now you must know the pattern of the question paper which you have to tackle in your exams. So we are starting the revision today, and for your revision I am giving you the pattern of the question paper. Your question paper is of two parts. Part A is of 40 marks and part B is also of 40 marks. So very first we will discuss about part A. Part A contains three sections: reading section, literature section and grammar section. So this part is of MCQs. Very short answer type questions are there in part A. Every question contains 1 mark. So your question number 1 is MCQ based on a discursive unseen passage of 400 to 450 words. One unseen passage will be given to you for your reading, and this will contain 400 to 450 words, and out of that passage 10 out of 12 questions are to be answered by you. So this question contains 10 into 1, 10 marks. And question number 2 is also a case-based factual passage, but this passage is very short, of 200 to 250 words. And 12 questions you will be given from this passage and 10 you have to do. So every question contains 1 mark here. So 10 into 1, 10 marks. And question number 3, 1 out of 2 extracts from drama / prose of the both of the textbook, Beehive and Moments. These books you are having from drama or prose section, you will be given 2 extracts. 1 you have to do, and 5 MCQs are there, and 5 into 1, 5 marks this question will contain. Question number 4 is 1 out of 2 given extract from poetry section. Poetry section is given in your Beehive. So 2 extracts will be given and 1 you have to do. So 5 MCQs are given in this question. So you have to do 5 questions. So 5 into 1 mark. And next is grammar section, and this contains 10 marks. This is your question number 5. 10 MCQ out of 12 are to be answered from your grammar, including tenses, modals, subject verb concord, reported speech and determiners, etc. So you have to do 10 questions out of 12 given. So this is all about 40 marks of part A. So thank you very much. I will tell you about the part B after erasing this board. Hello students, now I will discuss you about the part B of your question paper. This is also of 40 marks, but this part contains only 2 sections, writing section and literature section. The writing section is of 10 marks and literature section is of 30 marks. So in writing section, your question number 1 is writing a discursive paragraph. You have to write a paragraph in 100 to 120 words on a person or a diary entry based on given inputs. 1 out of 2 questions is to be done. 2 क्वेश्चंस दिए होंगे, उसमें से एक आपको करना है. And this discursive paragraph writing is of 5 marks. Question number 2 is writing a story. Story writing is there in 100 to 120 words on given clues or inputs. 1 out of 2 questions is to be done. 2 क्वेश्चन दिए होंगे स्टोरी राइटिंग के लिए और उसमें से एक आपको करना है. तो 5 marks are given for story writing. Now we will move to the literature section. 30 marks are there. So question number 3, 4 out of 6 short answer type questions in 20 to 30 words you have to answer from Beehive and Moment. Both of your textbooks. You have to answer 4 out of 6 questions, but you have to answer 2 from Beehive and 2 from Moments. And 2 marks for each question are there. 4 into 2, 8 marks. And your question number 4 is also a short answer type question, but this is in 40 to 50 words from both the textbooks, Beehive and Moments. Here also you have to do 2 from Beehive and 2 from Moments. But this question contains 3 marks for each question. So here 4 questions you have to do, 3 marks are there. The full marks are 12 for this question. And question number 5, 1 out of 2 long answer type questions from Beehive you have to do in 100 to 120 words. 5 marks are there for this question. And question number 6, 1 out of 2 long answer type questions from Moments is to be answered in 100 to 120 words. 5 marks will be rewarded if the answer is perfect. So your question number 5 and 6 are of long answer type questions containing 5 marks each. So these are 40 marks for section B, and this completes your whole paper of 80 marks. So in case of any confusion, you can contact me on given number Anil Singh 99565204435. But the timing should be between 6 to 7 p.m. But in case of any confusion, you can contact me. So thank you very much. This is all about your paper pattern.